Aloha, I will do an unboxing for this 16GB Kingston microSDHC memory card, and then I will do a synthetic and a real-life read and write speed test. Before the unboxing, let's take a look on the package. The package is the usual paper and plastic blister package. It's a 16GB Kingston microSDHC memory card from the Canvas Select family. This is a Class 10 memory card, so the guaranteed minimum write speed is 10 megabytes per second, the read speed is 80 megabytes per second. The memory card is made in Taiwan. On the back of the package we have the product code SDCS/16GBSP. The EAN barcode is 7406172758834. The memory card is assembled in Taiwan, but it doesn't say where is manufactured the memory chip. Now I will cut the package with the scissors and I will take a closer look to the memory card. I will try to focus to see the inscriptions on the memory card. First I will make a synthetic benchmark with the crystal disk mark. For the benchmark I use AI3 3220 CPU with 16GB RAM. Harma USB 3.0 micro SDHC card reader in USB 3.0 port. The read speed is 95 megabytes per second and the write speed is 23 megabytes per second. The second test is a real-life copy test with Total Commander. So the real-life writing speed test results are lower by about 5 to 8 megabytes per second than the synthetic. Overall the reading and the writing speeds are better than in the specifications. What do you think about this memory card after you've seen the speed test? It is worth to buy or not? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.